Good morning, students. So today, now we will discuss with the importance of pH in our life. As we have discussed that pH is actually a scale which generally gives the idea about the strength of an acid or a base. Okay, if you remember, then we have discussed that towards 0 it was more acidic, towards 14 it was more basic, and on the 7, that is on the central, that is a neutral, that is for the water. Okay, moving to the next, now we will discuss the importance of pH in everyday life. Okay, so first is plants and animals. See, plants and animals are pH sensitive, because as you know that our even our in body also, that pH works. That means that pH follows our body pH range. That means, see, therefore the living organism can survive only in this pH range. For example, in an industrial area, pH of rainwater becomes less due to dissolution of some acid. If that means, if the rainwater, whatever the rainwater is there, if it's acidic or its pH value, it becomes inflated or fluctuated by any value, that means it is now becoming acidic. Okay, that's why it causes an acid rain, and its pH is 5.6, and that acid rain sometimes causes the most of the aquatic life also. Okay, now next is the pH in our digestive system. Children, please remember, we have also pH in our body, which generally helps in the digestion and maintaining the body temperature of our body. Okay, for example, as you know that stomach produces hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Okay, and it helps in the digestion of the food. Now you must be observing that some people have the acidity in their stomach. Acidity, that means which causes the acid. So we to neutralize it, we use generally antacid. Okay, so persons from acidity generally are advised to take the cold milk, which is alkaline in nature, or the milk of magnesia. Children, please remember, milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice. Okay, so that is also the use of pH in our daily system. Moving to next point, that is pH changes as the cause of tooth decay. See, we have saliva in our mouth, which is basic in nature, and its pH is more than 7. Okay, if sometimes when we chew our food or something else, if the food particle will remain in our food, or if the food particle will remain in our teeth somehow, that means it causes or it produces the bacteria which is present in the mouth, which by the degradation of the sugar or the food particle. That means now the pH of the body will be pH of the mouth will be the lower than the 5.5. That means it causes the tooth decay. Okay, that or you can say the animal is corrode. Animal, the ENAMAL, that means in our teeth it is present, that will be corrode after the tooth decay. Next is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Children, if you remember, if someone have experienced also, आप में से बहुतों ने एक्सपीरियंस भी किया होगा, जब आपको हनी बीज या आंट कभी काट लेती हैं, उनका स्टिंग रह जाता है, उनमें क्या होता है, चिल्ड्रन फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है, और उनका अगर स्टिंग वहाँ पे रह जाए तो यानी उसका एसिड क्या हो गया, हमारे स्किन के थ्रू अंदर चले गया, एंड इट कॉजेज अ सीवियर पेन एंड इरिटेशन ऑल्सो, समहाउ swelling is also there, you must have seen sometime. So this can be cured by rubbing up with the soap solution. कहते हैं ना उसमें soap solution use करिए, और you can use the baking soda. Okay, that means it causes the like self defense also. Okay, now next is the what is the pH in our soil in our backyard. This is generally the activity. I don't think there is much of use of it. Okay, moving to next, children, this is the worksheet that you have to complete it and send it to my personal number. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask me.